Hey there! Struggling with those stubborn blackheads? You're not alone. Blackheads are a common skin issue, but the good news is they're totally manageable. In this video, we'll walk you through step by step on how to remove blackheads effectively and safely. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's show you how to remove those blackheads. Get rid of it! Cleanse your face. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser. This removes any surface dirt and oil. Use lukewarm water, as hot water can strip your skin of natural oils, and cold water might not clean effectively. Exfoliate gently. After cleansing, use an exfoliating scrub. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells that can clog pores. Be gentle and use circular motions. According to a 2018 study by the American Academy of Dermatology, regular exfoliation can significantly reduce blackheads. Apply salicylic acid treatment. Salicylic acid is a powerful ingredient for treating blackheads. Apply a thin layer of salicylic acid treatment to the affected areas. Salicylic acid penetrates the pores and helps dissolve the debris that causes blackheads. Research from the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology in 2016 found salicylic acid to be highly effective in treating acne. Use a clay mask. Once or twice a week, use a clay mask. Clay masks help absorb excess oil and draw out impurities from your pores. Let the mask sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. A study in the International Journal of Dermatology in 2017 showed that clay masks can significantly improve skin texture and clarity. Extract with care. If you prefer to manually remove blackheads, use a Comedone extractor tool. Ensure the tool is sterilized. Place it over the blackhead and press gently. If the blackhead doesn't come out easily, don't force it. Forcing can damage your skin and cause scarring. According to dermatologists, manual extraction should be done with caution to avoid skin damage. Moisturize. After all these treatments, your skin needs hydration. Use a non-comedogenic moisturizer, which won't clog your pores. Keeping your skin hydrated is crucial, even if you have oily skin. The Mayo Clinic emphasizes that moisturized skin is healthier and less prone to irritation. Maintain a routine. Consistency is key. Stick to a regular skincare routine to keep blackheads at bay. Cleanse, exfoliate, treat, and moisturize regularly. It's also important to avoid heavy makeup and skincare products that can clog your pores. Removing blackheads doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these steps and maintaining a consistent skincare routine, you can achieve clear, beautiful skin. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you and are here to help with any skincare questions you have.